Hi guys. Um, ipapakita ko sa inyo, this camera is actually one of my favorite camera of all time. Palagi ko itong hinahanap online. I always research on this camera and masaya ako kasi I finally own this camera. This is the Olympus EM1 Mark III. Not the Mark II actually. Mark II, okay din yung Mark II kasi it's one of the best Micro Four Thirds na merong si Olympus. So, but this time, I have the Olympus EM1 Mark III and I really love this camera and I'm gonna show you. Hi guys, papakita ko na sa inyo yung Olympus EM1 Mark III. Kunin ko lang. So, this is the